All right, guys, welcome to day 3 of the One Hit Wonder Thrifting Series, episode 3. We're out here. It's another rainy day. You already knew that. Headed to the thrift store now, looking to score something for $15 or less that's going to bring in some big money, so let's get after it. All right, we're at Goodwill. I'm gonna throw on my rain jacket, get out there in the rain, gonna go find something good. You know, something that's very interesting to me, normally whenever I'm sourcing shoes, I'm very, very panicked that other people are gonna get there and take all the shoes before I get there. I don't know why, but that's just the case. But with sourcing these higher ticket items, the one-off pieces that you can typically find in a thrift store, I'm not so rushed. I feel like I'm gonna find something regardless, it doesn't matter. If I don't, that's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, and we'll find something tomorrow. But let's get in there and see what we can find.
This is the Goodwill that is typically very expensive for their shoes. And when I come in here, I have to make sure I have a discount coupon or something like that. Let's see what we can find in here.
So for this, I really like the colorful shirts. We had some shoes, a bunch of hard goods in these bins, and they just were garbage. There was nothing there. Looking around everywhere. I did find this label maker, but ended up not picking it up. Probably a good choice. Moving through the denim, not really interested. Those skates right there, I totally didn't even see them until I was editing. I looked at this bowling ball, nothing special there. Started walking around. I did find this DVD VHS combo player that turned out to be something very interesting for me. $8.25. So I carried it around as I looked for more stuff. There was no tape inside, so that's a good sign. Nothing jammed up in there. Walked around for a little while longer, looking for a chess set. I did find this baby food processor, but there were no good comps on it, so I skipped. All right, guys, we are done with day number 3, sourcing one item. Picked up this DVD combo, DVD VHS combo player. This is a risky one because I couldn't test it. I plugged it in, made sure the tray opened, but they do not allow you to test the electronics here. In the old days, in the past days, they would let you bring it back if it didn't work. That is no longer the case. They do not accept any sort of return at all anymore, even if the item is defective. So, paid $8.25 plus tax. Let's hope that it works, because I really don't want to have to eat this cost. Into the inventory bin we go. Let's get home, test it, and hopefully list it, and then even more hopefully sell it. All right, we are home, and it is time to go test out this DVD VHS combo player. Hopefully this works. I need this to work, so let's go check it out and see what it does. But first, let's say a little hello to my friend Fireball. Hello, Fireball. What's up, buddy? What's up? You feeling good? You staying warm? All right. He's feeling good and he's staying warm. All right, so we got everything hooked up. We're gonna try it out. Please don't judge me for my out-of-date television. Watching TV is the least interesting thing in the world to me. So we don't have cable. We just watch DVDs once in a while. Sometimes we'll use this little hookup here to plug our phone in and watch like Netflix from our, that's once every 2 to 3 weeks. TV has very little appeal to me or my wife. Input 1, we're gonna crank this joker up. And let's try, well, we were gonna crank this joker up, there we go. Let's try DVD first. For today's selection, we've got cars. Let's see if this works. Please, I'm pretty confident the DVD player will work. I'm worried about this joker right here. You know, it's hit or miss with VHS players, so we'll see. It looks promising. Let's make sure there's some volume on this. Awesome, DVD player works. And that's all I need to know. Now for VHS. There's nothing in there, there's not. Oh man, please let this work. Tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme, Beauty and the Beast. Let's go. It works! All right, enough of that. Hey, chill. Chill with that mess right there. Please don't let it eat. Oh man, we're in the money on this. How exciting. It works. I'm so happy. this works. These things are selling $60 to $80 plus shipping, free shipping, like anywhere in there. So I'm gonna take this up and get it photographed right now, and we'll get that listed today. All right, guys, so we are back in the office, going to photograph this DVD VHS combo player and get it listed. It's key. You have to keep listing every single day. Consistency, 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 right? That's what makes it work. So let me grab my phone and we will photograph this and list it to be consistent. All right, that's it. We've got about 9 photos there. Going to get it listed. Hopefully we'll make this sale rather quickly because this is a good chunk of money. Thank you guys for joining in on episode 3 of the One Hit Wonder Thrift series. Can't wait to see what we get in episode 4. That'll be tomorrow. Thank you for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.